Arrive in style with this 2012 Ford Mustang. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2 doors, 305 horsepower, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 6-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, clock, in-radio display, cruise control, external temperature display, front seat type, bucket and interior air filtration. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.